Howdy, Chris Capell here from DrBBQ. We got a huge announcement today. You see, we've just landed Ray Lampe, DrBBQ, to be our spokesman for the next couple of years, and we couldn't be more excited about it. Now, I've known Ray for close to 20 years, and he's really familiar with our seasonings and our company, and we're just honored he wants to put his name behind DrBBQ. It's a really cool thing. You see, Ray's the real deal. He tells it like it is, and his accomplishments speak for themselves. He's got 9 cookbooks. He's working on his 10th. He's been featured in just about every publication I can think of. He's a TV star. You might have seen him as an expert judge or a pitmaster or a chef on one of the shows. He was a spokesman for one of my favorite companies, the Big Green Egg, for the last 17 years. And he just opened up a restaurant in St. Petersburg, Florida, called DrBBQ's. So one of his biggest accomplishments, though, is being inducted into the Barbecue Hall of Fame. And I know because I was there in 2014, and I saw him receive this award and join that very special group. He actually entrusted me with his trophy to give him a couple weeks later in Georgia, which I proceeded to slice my hand wide open on. I heard later a bunch of people stabbed themselves on that trophy. But anyway, check out DrBBQ.com. Follow Ray on all his social media. You're going to want to see what he's doing, especially when he starts cooking with our stuff all the time. So we're super excited to see what's going on down the road. Hope everybody's staying safe. Have a great day.